In this video, I take you through the steps of turning a little toy glider into a flying wing and demonstrate how it flies. You might have seen my 4-motor project, where thrust power was no problem. This time I used only one mini motor, which was a DC N60 motor. The steps to convert the toy glider into a flying wing were exactly the same as in many other flying wing conversion videos that I already did. I first cut off the tail, added a vertical stabilizer from very thin wood. In the back I burned out some space for a motor, changed the wing profile by gluing thin wood strips to the end of the wing and added rudders. Please see the other video for more information. I cut out space for electronic parts in the fuselage and in the wings for the servos and fixed them in with hot glue. My initial plan was to fly it as a glider, but now I want to extend it with a motor. First, the motor was pointing a bit up. Later I learned that the motor really exactly needs to be parallel to the wings, and I added a tiny wood plate to adjust the thrust angle. Time for the first gliding test to verify the center of gravity. And the maiden flight. Unfortunately, the wind was really strong and the motor was almost too weak to push against the wind. I will test my toy glider flying wing when there's less wind, or I might even upgrade to the stronger DC 180 motor. Please subscribe to my channel for not missing the next steps and new tutorials and upgrades. Thanks a lot for watching.